Okay, here's a follow-up video of the oil catch can install. I took the stock hose and just, I don't know if you can see this, comes out of the can, runs along the side, and it comes to here. Then I got a 5/8 inch radiator hose, which if you can find something a little bit more thick walled, I ran that from here to my air inlet. You want to make sure there's no kinks. Right here it's a little, iffy, but it still has is not kinked off. But see, it's in relation to the stock dry sump reservoir, and it's easy to check. It's easy to check the fill. One thing I forgot to mention is I wish they'd put an O-ring on this. But you can make a gasket or something. And this, I zip tied it to the CVT exhaust, so it's not really going anywhere. It's not going to vibrate too bad. If you want to fabricate a bracket or something, you can, but this is the best way I've seen to route it. And the cover fits on just fine. So there you have it. It's the oil catch can install on the Yamaha Wolverine X2 and X4.